Hey everybody, it's TJ here with Avidyne. In the following video we're going to be discussing the IFD interface to the JPI EDM760. As always, everything in this video is for reference use only. For FAA approved data, please refer to the IFD installation manual. Make sure you're looking at the latest revision of that guy. So, jumping right in. The RS-232 coming from the EDM760, that's going to be providing our fuel flow data, but it's configurable on the JPI. So what you set the IFD input port to is going to be determined by which protocol you're spitting out on the JPI end. So these configurations have to match up, if you will. And those are referred to as a GPS-C setting on the EDM series units. So let's jump on in. First and foremost, if your GPS-C setting is 0 on the JPI, you're not going to worry about it because you're not sending out fuel flow information. If your GPS-C setting is set to 1, that's a Garmin Shaden MiniFlow format, you would set the IFD input up for Shaden fuel, as you see here. GPS-C setting of 2 is an Allied Signal format. The IFD is not compatible with the Allied Signal format, so don't use that GPS-C setting. Your next option there is a GPS-C setting of 3, which is the RNAV EI fuel data. And on the IFD side, if your GPS-C setting is 3, you're going to set it up for RNAV EI fuel. Option number 4 is another Allied Signal format. That's not supported. Option number 5 is not assigned to anything on the EDM760, at least as of the recording of this video. GPS-C setting of 6 is the UPS Garmin Fuel Air Data format. So what you're going to want to set the IFD for if you're using a GPS-C setting of 6 on the JPI, set up the IFD input for Shaden FADC. And then we've got the other side of this interface where the IFD will be providing aviation data out to the EDM760. There is no configuration on the EDM760 for this. It's either configured to accept GPS or not. As long as it's configured to accept GPS, it's expecting that aviation data coming in, so no need to worry about a configuration on that end of things. On the IFD side, another little handy point to have is that the IFD is capable of setting aviation data output on multiple ports. So if you have a scenario where, let's say you've got a fuel flow device like an EDM760 as well as a 406 ELT that's also expecting aviation data, you don't necessarily have to parallel those lines. You can set multiple RS-232 outputs to aviation and they will all work. So keep that in mind when you're planning your installation. And as always, let us know if we can help. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.